Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the deposit tracking feature in the Docyt Revenue Center. Let's begin. First, log into your Docyt account. Go to the main menu and click on Revenue Reconciliation. Then, select Revenue Center to proceed. Next, in the Revenue Center, select Deposit Tracking from the left side navigation menu. For first-time users, click on Activate Deposit Tracking to set up this feature. A pop-up will prompt you to choose the date for the last deposit reconciliation. Select the appropriate date and click Activate. You'll now see the deposit tracking view. Here, you can review your daily revenue from each payment processor. To reconcile, click Reconcile at the top. Select a payment processor and match the revenue received with the corresponding bank deposit. Once reconciled, a notification will confirm the successful matching of revenue and deposit entries. If you've matched a revenue item incorrectly, simply use the Unreconcile option to correct it. Utilizing Docyt's deposit tracking offers a comprehensive view of your earnings, enhances revenue understanding, and guarantees precise financial management. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you manage your business finances effectively with Docyt.